My name is Dukuna Shanera. I study in P4 class. I am 10 years old. Dancing and teachers is because you come here to teach us that. So come again, come again. Thank you so much.
My name is Claude Jean-Claude, teacher here in IREME in P4 class. So we are happy today to come to join us for making different things. We teach learners how to dance and how to make different toys such as cloud, dog, cat and chick. So they are happy. They dance with you and us also we are happy. What I can say, you want to come back again to give us the happiness. Yes, they like how you teach them. Thank you.